benta haga Jingstad jong ga Jingshalan so turun na Mikalia sha Dubai. Myntri Tnat Tyngka Ka Nirmala Sitharaman hene kasngi ka Iaroh ika Jingstad ya ki nongrim bat ka jing penne pensa ika jinglong jing ki nong shong shnong gajala da ka bakadau ika jingla penne jengki ha ka perthai bamenta wat ha pedeng ka jingale ha ka perthai ban penne pensa ya ka barim na lor ka roi kapar. Haba penpau ya jing snau Tnat ka Myntri Tnat Tyngka ka Iaroh ya jinglong Tynrai jong ki jat bendiu Khasi bat ong ba kini ki nongrim kimlong tang ki bayai ne Henry ki a ya Jinghikai bakordor na ka benta ka imlang sa lang jong ka juk ka bamenta kani ka Myntri kala banjur halor ka jing thrang jong ka ban shim ya gini ki jinglong bat kubur ba ki don ya ki jinglong ba kongsan ka bakrau ban kentiu ya ka hok ka jing penyar bat ka jing penbha ya ka perthai.
Foundational principle, which is what is today's sustainability, shared prosperity. You get all this from the Western world today. They tell you that every policy, unless it is going to be for the common good, we shall not fund from the World Bank, we shall not fund from so and so and so on. In very many different ways they say it. But isn't that the wisdom of the Khasi people? Is it something new for us? Didn't we know about it? But when it is being reminded, we have to doubly remind ourselves that that's all right. We respect that. But our people have said it here in the Khasi land. Our people, our headmen have told this to every villager. Our people have said this among one another. Our youth may be in a hunger to move forward so that they can achieve their goals. But the wisdom of our people cannot be forgotten. We have to remind ourselves that wisdom of Khasi language.
Hakaway pat ka benta ka Myntri